animations can be a great way to improve the flow of your presentation. If you were showing a slide with different objects that you will be talking about at different times, you could separate the objects with their own animations. For example, you may be asking questions in your presentation, and you could reveal the answers using animation. When presenting, you click to remove the presentation forward. Each click will trigger a different animation and bring your objects into the slide when you are actually talking about them. To understand how to add animations to objects, we will create a new slide and insert some objects into it. To animate the first object, we can select it and click on the Insert menu. Now select Animation. You can also quickly animate an object by right-clicking on it and selecting Animate. You will see the Animations editor on the right. Since the object is selected, when you click plus Add Animation, it will add an animation for that object. You can adjust the type of animation here. There are Appear, Disappear, Fade, Fly, Zoom, and Spin animation types. Next, you can decide when the animation occurs, either when you click or automatically, after or with the previous animation. We'll make this animation occur on click. If the animation is a block of text, you can choose to animate it by paragraph here. This will render the animation one paragraph at a time. If you leave it disabled, then all the paragraphs in the block of text will be animated at the same time. Lastly, you can adjust the speed of the animation here. Now that all our animation options are set up for the first object, we'll select one for the second object by selecting it and clicking Add Animation again. Now that we have both our animations set up, we can click the play button to see how it looks. Click on the slide to see the first animation. Now click on it again to see the second animation. This is exactly how the objects will be animated when you are presenting. To close the Animations editor, click on the X button in the top right corner.